I guess we're starting the video with a cat cameo. You guys have seen Ace before. Anyways, hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we are getting into some Aurora that I actually missed. This is a song called The Flood. I have not reacted to this. I've not heard it yet. I was just thinking of something that I've missed, and I know that we have some Freeze the Fall to catch up on. We have so many other artists to check out, but I want to revisit Aurora today. Now this past weekend, Alex and I actually did our second in-person market where we brought our shop. We vended a market on last Saturday, and actually, me, a little unprepared. I feel like I ended up with a touch of heat stroke afterward. I guess we're still like learning, we're still very new to all of that, so lots of sunscreen next time, because under this I am a lobster. So on that note, we did restock our online shop if you would like to support me or the channel any further. So many new paintings have been added to the shop. I'm really proud and really excited about them all. So if you'd like to support me or the channel any further and get something in return, our shop is the best way to do so. Anyways, let's get right into Aurora. Now this, it says it's just a visualizer for the song, but I feel like with Aurora, you're getting a music video regardless, so excited about that. And this came out 4 months ago. I didn't actually realize how behind I was on Aurora content. Oh, the simple makeup. So beautiful.
Maybe I've spent too much time with myself, 'cause everything became enormous in my head. Maybe there was never a demon. Maybe it was just me dreaming. It's like nobody cares
Yeah. That was really good. When she yelled, nobody cares, like, I feel that. I felt that in my heart. That was a very good song. Very interesting composition of the song. I really enjoyed that. But I really think towards the first chorus, the lyrics really started hitting me and resonating, and I really enjoyed this one. I'm glad that we reacted to this today. Wonderfully done. Beautiful visualizer. Even though it was kind of repetitive, I feel like she's just so interesting to look at that it doesn't matter. Aurora always has a way with words, and it makes me just feel that much closer to what she is trying, like I can connect with what she's saying so much because I feel like I understand, and it makes me feel that much closer to her as an artist. So let me know your thoughts on this song down below. And speaking of songs, Alex and I just released an EP, our first music project. If you'd like to listen to that, we are Neon Spells everywhere, wherever you stream music. I will leave our visualizer link down below over on Alex's channel. I feel like music is such an exciting thing. It is an incredible way to express our feelings and emotions, and learning from so many incredible artists, I feel like we've been able to incorporate that into our own music. It's been really fun. So check that out. Check out all of my links down below. I will see you guys very soon. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Sayonara, suckers.
I stood here for so many years, waiting for the moment